Hey South, I'm Ray J.
And I'm Logan.
Hey Logan, why don't you start us off with Spirit Week?
I'd be happy to. This is Spirit Week, and today is Rapunzel vs. Mother Gothel Day, baby vs. elderly. Wednesday will be Gleam and Glow, your future so bright day. Wear future plans gear. Thursday will be an epic rock, paper, scissors day. ASB students want to facilitate a school-wide rock, paper, scissors competition that involves beaded necklaces. Additional information, directions, and details to come. Friday will be Tangled Theme Day. Freshmen wear green, sophomores wear white, juniors wear blue, and seniors wear purple. And the staff will wear yellow or gold.
Speaking of homecoming news, there will be a homecoming assembly this Friday in the gym with games, performances from cheer, dance, band, and student recognition and celebrations. There will also be a home football game. This is our first home football game. We hope to see you all there. The theme is SK Pride. Homecoming tickets can be purchased at the ASB window before or after school and during lunches. Today through Thursday, tickets will be $20 with ASB and $22 without. However, on the last day, it will be $25 for everyone. Sales end at 3 p.m. on Friday, and tickets will not be sold at the door. Students need to have their IDs on them for the upcoming homecoming football game to check in. Whether they are buying tickets or have ASB, this helps staff identify SK students, other school students, and middle school students. Thank you in advance.
And in breaking homecoming news, it's time to announce the homecoming court winners. They're in. Your Wolves for this homecoming season are, for the seniors, Trinity Connick, Carter Little, Macy Bird, and Chloe Strait. Juniors, Aaron O'Shaughnessy, Sadie Vaughn. Sophomores, Caden Beam, Sophia Estrada, and Adeline Scrogg. Freshmen, Ayla Aldridge, Lyric Tuave, and Christian Miranda. Congrats to everyone. SK's Got Talent is November 19th. Auditions will start on October 6th, Stage 3, from 2:30 to 3:30. Colorado State University presents today at 9:30 a.m. Leaders in veterinary medicine, agriculture, and energy, among other strong programs. This is also a Western undergraduate exchange program school, meaning you could pay less as a Washington State resident. UW Seattle will be in the Career Center on Thursday, offering 2 presentations at 11:45 and 1 p.m. Don't miss out if UW is a top school choice for you.
Time is running out to sign up for the SAT and PSAT. October 1st is the deadline, and spots are filling up quickly. Sign up by paying online or at ASB. The cost of the SAT is $68 and the PSAT is $18. See Mrs. Wood in the library if you have questions. Get your school spirit on. SCCLA will be selling pom-poms at the homecoming game above the bleachers on Friday. You can buy 1 for $3 or 2 for $5. Grab yours, cheer loud, and help fill the stands with spirit. October 1st is the deadline to purchase Chromebook insurance. Purchase for $30 online or at ASB. If you missed the T-Mobile assembly on Thursday, here's a quick look back on what you missed.
You all won against 2,700 schools across the nation. That QR code will take you to South Kitsap High School specific site where you can vote. What we need is for each one of you to vote right now and every single day until October 24th.
Don't forget to vote every day so South Kitsap can win the $1 million. Stay tuned until the end of the show for more information on how to vote. Seniors, you can order your graduation gear online. Check the graduation page on our website. If 80% of the class places their cap and gown order with Jostens by November 14th, they will donate $500 to the senior class. Also, every senior that orders by November 14th will be entered into a drawing to win a class ring from Jostens. Seniors, you can also upload your headshot for this year's yearbook, but it must be done by December 1st. Go to the yearbook page on the high school website to submit yours soon. This week's Froyo flavors are creamsicle, vanilla, and swirl. And while you're at it, stop by SK Latte for the homecoming week menu.
In sports, girls golf, swim and dive, soccer, and volleyball are all playing today. Good luck, Wolves. In club news, speech and debate will be meeting on Tuesdays from 2:10 to 3:30 in room 337, and Spanish meets Thursdays after school in Portable 15. SCCLA is kicking off their October huddle on October 9th. They're celebrating spooky season with a Halloween theme. Come decorate Halloween cookies and hang out with friends. SCCLA meetings are on the first Thursday of every month. Before we end the show, we want to remind you about the voting.
The T-Mobile Friday Night 5G Lights competition is on, and it is tight. Vote daily through October 24th to help SK shine. Rally the pack, share the link on the screen, and let's light up the night. Go Wolves! I agree, but now it's time to end the show.
Well, it's finally good that at least we're getting some rain.
I agree, but for now, let's actually end the show this time.
Yeah, you're right.
See you later, SK.